A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing? Great. Okay, fine. So, my dear students, as informed earlier, today we will be revising worksheets 6 and 7 of the grammar workbook. Are you ready with the grammar workbook? Worksheets 6 and 7. Ready? All right. So we will begin with worksheet 6. The topic of worksheet 6 is gender. Gender. Do you remember what we have learnt in gender? Yes. Yes. All naming words can be classified into two genders. But first, let us revise what are naming words. What is the other term for naming word? Yes, Malavika, unmute. Try. What is the other word for naming word? Naming words are also called as nouns. Yes, very good. Very good. Naming words are also called as nouns. Okay. And all these naming words or nouns can be classified into two genders. Which are they? Masculine gender and feminine gender. Yes, masculine gender and feminine gender. Okay, now under masculine gender, we use words that are used for men, boys, and male animals. Okay, under masculine gender, we use words that are used for men, boys, and male animals. All right. And under feminine gender, under the topic feminine gender, we use words that are used for girls, women, and female animals. Okay? Is it clear to you now? Once again, I will repeat. Under masculine gender, we use words that are used for men, boys, and male animals. All right. And under feminine gender, we use words that are used for girls, women, and female animals. Girls, women, and female animals come under feminine gender. Yes, are you able to recollect what all we have learned? Yes, can you? All right, yes, good. Adinath, he's showing me a thumbs up. Good, very good. I'm happy to see that. Yes, now everybody is showing the thumbs up. Very good, very sweet of you. So, are you ready to revise the entire topic? Ready? Let me share the screen then. And I will ask you questions. Today, you are the ones who have to tell me the answers because we are revising. We have already learned these topics, right? So today, you have to tell me the answers. I know you will definitely be able to tell me the answers, right? Yes, very good. While the screen gets loaded, I request you to be on page number 21 and 22. First take 21, then we will move to 22. 21 of the grammar workbook. Page number 21. Okay. Now let us go through a very common example which most of you love to watch, right? Yes, do you remember? Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Now Mickey Mouse is a male, that is a boy mouse. Mickey Mouse is a boy mouse. So he will come under the masculine gender. masculine gender. And Minnie Mouse is a female or a girl mouse. So she will come under the feminine gender. Feminine gender. Okay. Now let us understand or revise a few of the common masculine and feminine gender forms. Father, mother. Father belongs to the masculine gender and mother belongs to the feminine gender. Similarly, prince belongs to the masculine gender and princess belongs to the feminine gender form. Okay. Bull or ox. Bull or ox belongs to the masculine gender form, whereas cow is the feminine gender form. Bull, cow. Bull, cow. Okay. Then gander belongs to the masculine gender form, whereas goose belongs to the feminine gender form. Who remembers the poem or the rhyme which has both these words, gander and goose, in it? Who remembers the rhyme? In KG you have learnt, I believe. Goosey, goosey, gander, where shall I wander? Yes, Malavika, unmute and recite. Anybody else remembers? Malavika, unmute, my dear. Unmute and recite it.
Goosey, goosey, gander, where shall I wander? Upstairs and downstairs.
Downstairs and in my lady's chamber, there I met an old man who wouldn't say his prayers. Then I took him by the left leg and threw him down the stairs. Yes? Are you able to recollect it now?
Yes.
Anybody knows the complete rhyme? You all have forgotten what you learned in KG section? No, that's not good. You must keep revising the rhymes in between because you need them throughout your life. You can enjoy. See? With rhymes, you can keep reciting them or singing them and enjoy. Okay, so it's not a very difficult task to do, right? So keep doing that in between. Okay, anyway, good effort, Malavika. Thank you. Okay, so the word gander belongs to the masculine gender and the word goose belongs to the feminine gender form. Now you have to tell me the answers. Anaya, unmute. I request everybody to keep their devices muted and unmute them only when I call out your names. Not otherwise. Nobody will unmute in between. Anaya, unmute. Tell me the feminine gender form for boy. Boy, feminine.
Girl.
Very good. Thank you. As soon as you answer, mute your device. Dhruva, brother, feminine gender.
Yes, ma'am.
Brother, what is the feminine gender?
Sister.
Sister, fantastic.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Henry, peacock, feminine gender.
Vegan.
Peahen, not gen. Peahen. Peahen. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Prarthana, unmute. Husband, feminine gender.
Wife.
Wife, very good. Ritvik, king, feminine gender. Ritvik, feminine gender of king.
Queen.
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 Queen. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Merin, man. Feminine gender for man.
Women.
Woman.
Woman.
Yes, W-O-M-A-N. Woman. Woman. Okay, very good. Maithili, nephew. Feminine gender. Nephew.
Is.
Very good. Spelling? N-I-E-C-E. E-C-E. N-I-E-C-E. Niece.
N-I-E-C.
E. E-C-E. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear. Ivania, bridegroom, feminine gender. Bridegroom.
Right.
Bride. Very good. Ivania, do you remember who is a bridegroom and who is a bride? Do you remember? Others, please mute. Who's a bridegroom and who's a bride? Siddharth, please sit properly. Who is a bridegroom and who is a bride?
Marriage.
Yes, in a wedding, the man who is getting married is called the bridegroom or the groom, and the lady or the woman who is getting married is called the bride. Okay? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Ivania. Siddharth, tell me, son. What is the feminine gender form? Son.
Son.
What is the feminine gender? Daughter.
Daughter.
Say again. Son. Daughter.
Daughter.
Yes. Okay. Don't make the sound. Daughter. That's enough. Okay. Thank you. Adel. Feminine gender for uncle.
Andy.
Aunt. Don't say Andy. Aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt.
Aunt.
Okay, thank you. Manav. Cock. Feminine gender form. Cock.
Hen.
Hen. Very good. Okay. Agnes. Agnes. Ox. Feminine gender.
Cow.
Ox.
Cow.
Cow. Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Rihan. Rihan. Lion. Feminine gender. Lion.
Lion.
Sorry?
Lion.
Lion. What is the feminine gender form?
Lion.
Lioness.
Lioness.
Yes. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness.
Lioness.
Okay. Say the spelling.
L-I-O-N-S-S-S.
E-S-S.
E-S.
S. E-S-S. Okay, fine. Thank you. Yes, yes. Thank you. Austin, unmute. Gentleman. Feminine gender. Gentleman. Sorry?
Gentleman, lady.
Lady. Yes. Somebody else answer in between. I said already, I told you, don't unmute till I call out your name. Okay, Austin, I heard your answer. It's right. But I think you're facing some network issues today, right? Okay, Daniel. Hero. Feminine gender. Hero.
Heroine.
Very good spelling.
H-E-R-O-E-N.
No. I-N-E. I-N-E. Heroine. Yes. H-E-R-O-I-N-E. Heroine. Okay, fine. Thank you. Evelyn Justin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Evelyn Justin. Grandfather.
Yes, ma'am.
Feminine gender. Grandfather.
Grandmother.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, so.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome. We are done with worksheet 6. Now I will share worksheet 7 once again. Worksheet 7. I want everybody to move to page number 7. Oh, sorry, page number 23. Sorry. Worksheet 7, page number 23. And the topic for worksheet 7 is pronoun. Pronoun, yes. And who can tell me the 6 pronouns that we have learnt about in worksheet 7? Who can tell me? He, she, it. Page number 23.
Her, he, she, it, her, He,
Okay, fine. Mute. Okay, don't mute the device in between. Let us revise it again. The topic for worksheet 7 is pronoun. Pronoun. What is a pronoun? Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns.
Mother Chantal.
Okay, fine. I said please don't unmute in between. Okay? Don't unmute. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. Okay? What are pronouns? Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. In worksheet 7, we have tried to understand 6 pronouns. He, she, it, his, her, and its. Okay. What all did we try to learn? He, she, it, his, her, its. These 6 pronouns we tried to understand. Which are they? He, she, it. Then his, her, and its. Okay. Now, when do we use he, she, it? When we are speaking about or writing about a boy, a man, or a male animal, we use the pronoun he. Okay. When we are speaking or writing about a boy, a man, or a male animal, we use the pronoun he. When we are speaking about a girl, a woman, or a female animal, we use the pronoun she. She. A girl, a woman, or a female animal. We use the pronoun she. And when we are speaking about an animal, any animal, or a thing, we use the pronoun it. It. Okay. We can use the pronoun it. Okay. Now, his, her, and its. When do we use these pronouns? When we are speaking or writing about something that belongs to someone. For example, if I speak about Daniel. Just imagine. Daniel, do you have a pencil with you? Show it to me. Show it to us. Yes. Daniel is a boy. Yes, Daniel is a boy. His pencil is blue in color. Did everybody see his pencil? Yes. Show it to us clearly. Yes. His pencil is blue in color. And because Daniel is a boy, we have to use the pronoun his when we speak about something that belongs to Daniel. Okay? Is it clear to you? Yes, very good. Similarly, when we speak about something that belongs to a girl or a woman, we have to use the pronoun her. Her. For example, Malavika is a girl. Her frock is red in color. Yes, is it red in color or is it pink in color? What is that color? Pink. Okay. Her frock is pink in color. Malavika is a girl, so we have to use the pronoun her when we speak about something that belongs to Malavika. Understood? Yes. Okay. And the third one, its, we have to use when we say about something that belongs to an animal or a thing. For example, this is a pen. This is a pen. Its color is black. Its color is black. Got it? Is it clear to you all? Yes? All right. Now, let us discuss this. Sir? Okay, we have already done it. So I'll just revise it. Hayan, unmute. Dash is our national animal. We can see the image of a tiger. So which pronoun do we use for the tiger here?
Its.
It. Yes, very good. Thank you. Megdarsh, unmute. The second one. Dash is my teacher. We can see a woman here. She. Very good. Thank you. Aarti, unmute. Aarti, unmute. The third one. Dash is reading a newspaper. We can see a boy. He. Very good. Agne, unmute. Dash is dancing. We can see a peacock. It. Very good. Okay, thank you. Tirtha, unmute. Number 5. Dash is my sister. Move to page number 24. Page number 24. Tirtha,
Yes,
Dash is my sister. Which pronoun?
she.
She. Very good.
She.
Okay, she. Thank you. Joanne Jury, number 6. Agne, mute. Joanne Jury,
Yes, ma'am.
number 6. Dash is my computer. Which pronoun? It. Who's answering in between? Please don't answer till I call out your name. Okay?
It.
Yes. Okay, good. Adinath, unmute. Number 7. Dash is a driver. We are talking about the man here. So which pronoun? Dash is a driver. He is a driver. Very good. Okay, thank you. Junaita Joshi,
Ma'am.
number 8. Junaita Joshi, number 8. Dash is a doctor.
He is the daughter.
Very good. Not daughter,
The
doctor.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Please
Bluetooth
mute. Thank you. Sarah,
connected.
Sarah, unmute.
Andrew, can I read? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am? Ma'am, your video is on.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine.
Can I see?
Can you see me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
I want everybody to please mute their devices. It is disturbing the session, my dear students. Please do that. Okay, Henry, unmute. Number 9. Dash is an elephant.
Yeah,
Very good. It is an
Yeah.
elephant. Okay, thank you. Prarthana, number 10. Dash is a beautiful queen. Number 10. She is a beautiful queen. Very good. Adelan, number 11.
Ma'am,
Dash is an apple. It. Very good. Thank you. Rishan, unmute.
excuse me, ma'am.
Number 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 12. Dash is a good girl.
She is a good girl.
Yes. Who is answering in between? Please mute others. Okay, good, Rishan. Thank you. Now, let us try to answer his, her, and its. Anna, unmute.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Try number 1 on page number 25. 25. Here we have to use his, her, or its. Okay. Number 1. Try. We can see a girl and the ball. His, her, or its. Her ball. Her ball. Okay. Thank you, Anna. Mute. Adam Joe, can you hear me? Try number 2. Dash pot.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash pot. Sorry. It's. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Aisha Nashwa, unmute. Dash book. Dash book. We can see a girl reading a book.
Her book.
A book, yes, very good. Thank you. Krishna Priya, unmute. Number 4, dash bike. Dash bike.
She bike.
No, we can see a man riding the bike. So which pronoun will be used for the man?
He.
He or his? We are talking about the man's bike.
His.
His bike, yes. You must think and answer, my dear. His. Okay, thank you. His. Okay, Jewel, unmute. Others, please mute. Jewel. Number 5. Number 5.
Yes.
Okay, here I will draw a girl. So for the girl's cake, which pronoun? No,
She.
the girl's cake. Her cake. Her cake. Yes, very good. H-E-R. Her cake. Okay. Then, thank you. Her cake. Siddharth, unmute. Yes. Siddharth,
Then
unmute. The last one, number 6, dash bone. The bone belongs to the dog. So what will be the pronoun here? Dash bone. Its bone. Its bone. Very good. Okay, its bone. Now, are you ready? We have revised both the worksheets. His, her, and its. He, she, it also we have tried to understand. May I send the link to you? Are you ready? Are you ready? Please close your books and keep them on the side. Okay. So he, she, it for boys. He for boys, men and male animals.
Okay, ma'am.
He for girls, women and female animals. And it for things. Okay. Then his, her, its also we have revised. Are you confident? Go to the chat box. Please go to the chat box. Close your books and keep. Did everybody get the link?
Yes.
Okay. I'll send it once again in case somebody has not got it. I've sent it twice. Okay. Please access it. Let me read the questions for you. First and foremost, you have to enter your name. Choose class and division 1B. Question number 1. Words in masculine gender are used for men, dash, and male animals. Words in masculine gender are used for men, dash, and male animals. Options are girls, boys, or things. Number 2, feminine gender for bull is dash. Feminine gender for bull is dash. Options are cow, goose, or hen. Number 3. Please mute others. Please mute. Number 3. Choose the right pronoun. Choose the right pronoun.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Can I link one more time,
Yes, yes.
please?
In case somebody is having network issues, don't worry. I'll be sending the link in the class group again. Number 3, choose the right pronoun. The peacock looks pretty. Dash dances. He, she, or it. Question 4, again choose the right pronoun. Rita sings sweetly. Rita is a girl. Dash is my friend. He, she, or it. Question number 5, the masculine gender for aunt. The masculine gender for aunt is dash. Uncle, auntie, or son. Number 6, The feminine gender for lion is dash. The feminine gender for lion is dash. All the three words, the spelling has to be read very carefully. L-O-I-N-E-S-S, L-O-N-I-E-S-S, L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Read the spellings carefully and then choose the answer. Number 7, John drives a car. John drives a car. Dash is a driver. Choose the right pronoun, he, it, or she. Number 8, Mary plays football. Mary plays football. Mary is the name of a girl. Dash ball is red in color. Dash ball is red in color. His, her, or its. Number 9, the fish is in dash pot. The fish is in dash pot. It's, his, or her. And the last question, number 10, is Ram likes to play. Ram is the name of a boy. Dash plays with his friends. It, he, or she. Ram likes to play. Dash plays with his friends. I can see that some students have started submitting. Good.
Ma'am, finished.
Don't say that. Don't disturb the others. Those who have finished may please leave the meeting. But I will request everybody to read the options very carefully and then submit. No need to be in a hurry.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Those who have submitted may please leave. No need to ask permission for. Okay? Because the others are writing. Or the others are appearing for the exam, I mean. So those who have submitted may please leave the meeting. Thank you. No need to say anything. Just leave the meeting once you submit. Those who are appearing for the exam, I request them to switch on the videos. There is no need to switch off the videos, please. And those who have submitted may leave the meeting. Once again, I'm telling. Is it difficult? Did you find anything difficult in the paper? No? Three minutes are left. Anaya, what happened? Have you submitted? Yes?
Ma'am, Krishna Priya, 10 after 10.
Okay. I can see everybody's marks here. Very good. No need to tell me the marks, okay? Those who have submitted may leave the meeting. Thank you. Sarah submitted, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You may leave the meeting then.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes? Who called me now? Yes, Malavika, what is it?
Malavika.
What happened here?
That 10 question 1 mark lost, but I pressed the correct answer.
Okay, but maybe you must have faced some network issue at that time, dear. That is the
Yes,
reason.
ma'am.
Okay, so no worries about it. You know the answer, right? That is enough. Okay, don't bother about the lost 1 mark.
Ma'am, Aradi can leave.
Yes, yes. Those who have submitted, please leave. Malavika, don't bother about the lost 1 mark, okay? If you know the answers, the correct answers, if you know how to choose the right answer, that is enough. No problem. Evelyn submitted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you may leave the session. Thank you. Those who submitted, please leave. Austin submitted? Just one. Yes, you may leave there. Thank you. Aman, you can leave and join again. Okay, it is time for me to wind up the session. Those who have not been able to submit it, you may please submit it once you finish it. All right. Thank you very much. With this, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.